At Souwest Magnetech, we build high-performance magnetic separation equipment. Through a digital manufacturing system, our process begins with a solid structural foundation. Automated welding ensures structural consistency, complemented by skilled manual welding for critical components to enhance reliability. Through CNC machining, we maintain strict geometric tolerances, directly supporting magnetic field uniformity. Our modular assembly and laser calibration facilitate efficient deployment and operational concentricity. Every unit undergoes standardized precision testing and material trials to verify iron removal efficiency. As our wholly owned subsidiary, MagSpring provides dedicated service and high-quality magnetic solutions. From components to final assembly, our systematic quality control ensures stable performance and delivery.